Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Wellness Soldier Cooking with Cannabis series. My name is Cody Lindsay, and today we're making pizza. Who doesn't love pizza, right? How are we gonna infuse the pizza? Well, we're gonna infuse the oil into the dough, and then we're also gonna infuse the oil into the pizza sauce as well. We're just gonna make an easy one, pepperoni. You can make any kind you want. Let's get started. So in the bowl right now, we have our 5 cups of flour. We're gonna add our self-activating instant yeast, 1 package. Find these at any grocery store. Just put that in there. A little bit of salt, a couple pinches. A little bit of olive oil. About 5 tablespoons. A couple mils of cannabis oil, your dosage. There we go. Now I know that I have about 45 milligrams of THC in there. And we're gonna get 2 cups of lukewarm water. So we got 1 cup, 2 cup. So right now it's kind of just like a basic dough. So I'm gonna add a little bit of oregano leaves. Just a little handful. Take your dough hook, pop it on, pop that up, start it up. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. And again, that's what you're gonna wanna look for on the side of the bowl. There's no flour left, and the dough is still kind of sticky to the touch. Not so much that it obviously sticks to your fingers and you can't get it off, but just enough that you can still throw it on the board and work a little flour into it. Add a touch of olive oil on the top. And what it's gonna do is just gonna prevent the top from drying out while it's rising, and cover for approximately an hour. Now that the pizza dough is proofing, we're gonna move on to the tomato sauce. And we're just gonna let it simmer for a couple minutes. Let all those dried ingredients get nice and incorporated with the tomatoes. Now that it's doubled in size and proofed up nicely, we're just gonna take it out. We'll have a nice floured surface. Take half. We're not gonna. It makes 2 pizzas. We're just gonna make 1 right now. Then you just pop it on your pan. You can have parchment underneath. You can have some cornmeal. You can have a little bit of olive oil. It's up to you, really. So we got our dough ready. We got our sauce ready. What we're going to do, rather than infusing this whole sauce, we're just going to take some out. And again, just infuse what you need here. Give it a good stir. Then we're going to take our mozzarella cheese, nice hearty helping of it. Sprinkle it nicely all over the pizza. Then we add our pepperonis on there. Again, this is a pizza. You can add any ingredient that you want. This is your pizza. It's your medication. Pop it in a 375 degree oven for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how crusty you want your crust. All right, let's take the pizza out of the oven. We just have the broiler on. It's been 15 minutes. We have the broiler, make the top all nice and cheesy and brown and delicious. Woo-wee. There it is. Cut it up the way that you want. Serve, eat well, be happy. Thank you very much for joining us today on our pizza episode. You can find this recipe in our cookbook, which you can find on thewellnesssoldier.com. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks again for joining us.